Make your sink sparkle. Learning bathroom chores in English. Hello, learners. Today we're going to talk about something we all do but may not always enjoy. Cleaning. Specifically, we're going to learn about a common bathroom chore in English, and that's cleaning the sink. By the end of this video, you'll be familiar with all the vocabulary and phrases you need to talk about this essential task. Let's start with some basic words and phrases related to cleaning the sink. Sink. The bowl-shaped part of a bathroom or kitchen fixture where you wash your hands, rinse things off, etc. Faucet. The device from which water comes out. Soap. The substance you use to clean things. Sponge. A soft material used for cleaning. Rinse. To wash something with clean water. Dry. To remove the water from something. Disinfect. To clean something to destroy bacteria. Remember to practice pronouncing these words on your own. Now, let's look at the process of cleaning a sink and how you can describe each step in English. 1. Turn on the faucet. This is how you start the water flow. 2. Wet the sponge. Put the sponge under the running water until it's wet. 3. Apply soap to the sponge. Put some soap onto the sponge. 4. Scrub the sink. Use the sponge to clean the sink. 5. Rinse the sink. Use clean water to wash away the soap and dirt from the sink. 6. Dry the sink. Use a towel to remove any remaining water. 7. Disinfect the sink. Apply a disinfecting cleaner to ensure it's germ-free. Try to repeat these phrases until you're comfortable with them. Let's put everything together with some example sentences. I need to clean the sink today. Could you turn on the faucet and wet the sponge, please? Don't forget to rinse the sink after you scrub it. It's important to dry the sink to prevent water spots. Remember to disinfect the sink at least once a week to keep it germ-free. Try to create your own sentences using these vocabulary words and phrases. And that's it for today's lesson, learners. Now, you're ready to describe cleaning a sink in English. Don't forget to practice the words and phrases we learned today. The more you use them, the better you'll get. Keep up the good work, and happy learning!